In this video, I will show you how to motion blur face in Picsart. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is go ahead and open up Picsart on our device. And what you want to do is select the picture that you want to blur the face for. So here we are. As you can see, I've got my image up ready, and you can see in this picture, we've got the face just down here. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to this toolbar at the bottom, and you want to press onto the effects icon in the middle just here. Then at the bottom, you're going to see some further options. What you want to do is go ahead and select blur. So that's just down here. And then what you want to do is swipe all the way to the right. And at the end, you're going to see the option for motion blur. So give that a press. Now, once you've done this, you'll notice that it has applied the motion blur to the whole image. Now, what we want to do is, of course, just motion blur the face. Now, in order to do that, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top, and you want to press onto this icon here, which looks like a little eraser. And once you press onto that, you're going to get some options at the bottom, and you can actually see there's an option here for face. So if you go ahead and press onto face, you'll notice what's going to happen. It's actually going to just apply the motion blur to the face, whilst leaving the rest of the image clear. Now, make sure once you've done this to come up to the top right hand corner and press the tick button to save your changes. And that is how to go ahead and apply the motion blur effect to a face in Picsart. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.